All right, here we go, though, guys. This is our 11:30 break. Leaf Pro Set Pure Multisport. We got one hobby box here. 4-spot random card break. This is random card break number 12, guys. Number 12. All right, so there are 4 cards inside of this magical box here. So those 4 cards we end up putting into our spreadsheet over here next to all the names. So Jeffrey L., John B., Kevin D., and Nathan W. You guys each got a spot in the break, so you're each getting one of the cards from the box. So we'll open up the box, put the 4 cards into the spreadsheet, and from there, we random it up and see who you get. So here we go, guys. Good luck. Let's see what we got. The Notorious Ram. What's up, dude? How you doing? Long queue? It shouldn't be too bad. We're sitting at about 5 or 6 right now. All right. So the first one here is going to be Don Mattingly, 20 out of 25. Nice clear action ink. Don Mattingly. So we'll throw that into the spreadsheet. All right, next is Joe Torre. Old-time catcher, 18 out of 30. Joe Torre. All right, the next one. Who is this guy? Ricky Wysocki. 25 out of 30. He's a disc golfer. Disc golfer. 25 out of 30. Disc golf tournament? Oh, God, I'm so bad at disc golf. I'm so bad. All right, and the last card here is a little dual auto of Jeff Bagwell and Steve Garvey. So there we go. That one's not too bad. I think so too, J Bells. I'd agree with you. 8 out of 15, Jeff Bagwell and Steve Garvey. All right. So that one I'm just going to put Bagwell. All right. Let's do some randoming. See who you get. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Starting with everyone in the break. 10 times. There's 10. And the cards. Here we go. Good luck. 7. Lucky 7. 7. There we go. All right. So Jeffrey L., you're getting the Joe Torre. Kevin D. with the Don Mattingly. Nathan W., you're getting the disc golfer Ricky Wysocki. And John B. with the Jeff Bagwell and Steve Garvey dual auto. So there you go, guys. Don Mattingly is going to Kevin D. Bagwell and Garvey going to John B. Ricky Wysocki going to Nathan W. And Joe Torre going to Jeffrey L. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed the break. Till next time. See you later.